Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC here in Port Perry. Take a look at this like new 2026 Chevy Equinox RS all-wheel drive. Maybe you're searching for a new Equinox RS and you happen to stumble upon this, or you just happen to be on our website and you saw that this was for sale. Well, what a great find with under 13,000 kilometers on this. One owner vehicle, no accident history. It's like out of the box new. I'm going to take you on a tour of the great features and the condition of this Equinox, starting off with what is underneath the hood. The Equinox RS features a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's turbocharged and it's connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, it is also all-wheel drive, and the best part about this engine transmission combo is it doesn't sound like that car behind us, my gosh. You get the power of a 6-cylinder with the fuel economy of a 4-cylinder thanks to that turbocharged engine. And I mean, it is incredibly fuel efficient, especially given the size of it. Look at the nice side profile. It's got big back doors for the kids to get into really easily, especially if you got car seats. And the trunk in it is very big as well. Now, because this is the RS, you get these great looking 19-inch alloy wheels. Love that machine face with the piano black in the middle as well. The black Chevy bow tie in there. They look fantastic. We have the black Equinox logo, piano black mirrors, and the black ladder style roof rails up top. So if you want to load up the roof with some accessories, you know, roof rails, kayaks, canoes, whatever the case is, whatever your family adventures you're going on, you can do that with those roof rails. Now, look at the LED taillights. Isn't that nice? And then taking a step back, you can see we got that nice black Chevy bow tie, the RS badge, a piano black rear bumper finisher, and the all-wheel drive Equinox badge on the back. Now let's open up our power tailgate. And in the back here, you can see we have lots of room for trips to Costco, IKEA, the cottage, and more. We got folding rear seats as well in case you have longer objects, maybe the kids' sporting equipment, but lots of room back here for everything you want to do. Closing this up, let's go around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners of this Equinox. Again, you're probably checking this out because you're interested in purchasing this, and I can tell you with confidence that this is in great condition. And now up front, we've got LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. There's even a little Chevrolet badge right in there if you can kind of see it there. It's really cool. Blacked out front grille and another little RS badge here just to finish off that front end. Now let's go take a look on the inside. We're going to start off with these back seats and then we'll work our way to the driver's seat. So rear drawers open really nice and big, and have a look up. We have the optional panoramic sunroof. Huge, massive roof all the way to the back seats. And then this beautiful leather interior with the red and blue contrast stitching, very cool. And then my favorite is the latch system in the back. You don't got to fish your fingers down in here trying to find it. Just has those nice covers so car seats will be nice and easy. Big center armrest for when the kids are a bit older. USB ports in the back so they don't have to share charging cords as well, which is a really nice feature to have. Don't need that fight. Now up front, that big sunroof again. We have the RS badge embossed in the front headrests, and then look at the nice piping on the seats here. I mean, they did such a great job in making this a really cool sporty interior. Power driver's seat, and we have the floor liners down below as well. Now let's hop in here. So have a look around at this interior. This is so pretty. I love the different use of materials. So check out the door panel here, the piano black, and then the vent covers are really kind of cool. And look at how that all just blends in to this big infotainment system with the digital driver's gauges. I mean, they've done such a beautiful job in here. Now, safety features as you would expect: forward emergency braking, blind spot warning, lane keeping assist, automatic headlights, a nice rear view camera system, and more. It's really well equipped for safety. We've got this nice heated leather wrap steering wheel. Now this is the RS exclusive wheel. It is a flat bottom wheel. You can see the RS badge here, and it has that nice red contrast stitching in there. We've got our controls for our center display, our heated steering wheel, cruise control on the other side. We even have paddle shifting. If you wanted to go through those gears, you could. And then this digital driver's gauges is a really, really nice system. You can see the XM satellite radio on the right side, tachometer, speedometer in the middle, and then our date and all that on this side. Now you can change up the views. Check this out. Isn't this nice? This is your Google Maps view. Obviously this is connected with real-time traffic information and everything else, but this is a gorgeous view. And then you can go back to this view, which is our safety systems, and then a simplified view, and then back to this one. So love that digital driver's gauge. That's all being done right here with this button here. Over here to our driver's knee is the all-wheel drive control, your electronic parking brake with auto hold. That's a great feature that keeps the car stopped when you come to a complete stop with the parking brake, so you can just take a breather, especially in stop and go traffic. That's really nice. Now, here is our infotainment system. So it's on the Google Maps system right now. We have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so it will automatically connect for you. Sliding over here, one of the favorite things that I have in this is right back here, sorry, is the Google Assistant. So you can say things like, hey Google, where's the nearest Chinese food restaurant?
There's Bamboo Kitchen and Bar 1.1 kilometers away.
Yeah. So you can do all that cool stuff. You can ask it anything, not just directional stuff. You can ask it what the Jays game score was. You can ask, you know, what's 10 plus 2, whatever you want. It's just like your Google Assistant at home. Very, very cool. Now, there's also updates that are coming. It will now connect to Google Gemini, which is the AI version of Google, which is super slick. So wait for that. That is very cool. There's actually over-the-air updates for this infotainment system. There's one pending right now. So it will install the update. Takes about 15-20 minutes, and then you have all the newest, coolest features on your infotainment. It's so nice. You can download more apps here, Spotify, Amazon News, all this cool stuff can be downloaded, and that is through the, where is it here? Somewhere around here, Play Store, there it is, through the Google Play Store. Now, the Wi-Fi connection, this is great. So if you subscribe to the OnStar services, this car acts like a hotspot, so your kids don't need to hotspot your phone. They can hotspot the car. So cool. I definitely recommend you signing up for the OnStar suite for a couple months. Give it a shot. It really is something special. So go ahead, try that out. Now, we also have different driver profiles. So if there's multiple drivers, you can add their profile here, and it works just kind of like a laptop. You'll get in, log in, so to speak, and all your settings go back to that driver's profile. It's really nice. And then here is our rear view camera system. Now there's a lot more in this infotainment, but I'll save some for you when you come for the test drive. Here's our dual zone climate control. Our heated front seats are there as well. And then look at this nice center console. They've done a really nice job designing this and keeping this nice and simple. So we've got our USB ports plus some storage here, a wireless phone charger right here, and then this is our drive mode button. So when we give this a twist, we have the option for off-road, snow and ice, and normal driving, and that's all with that little drive mode button. Some more storage here. Check out down below. This is a great use of space. This right here, ladies, is perfect for your purse. You don't need to put it on the floor. You can tuck it away right there, and it's kind of hidden from prying eyes as well. So I love that. And then here is our key fob. And I just wanted to show you on here that we have the remote starter on there as well. And then the Carfax, which was in our nice little convenient storage spot down here. So you can see this, one owner, no accidents, low kilometers. Yeah, check. And check on a great find. Come here to Gus Brown in Port Perry and take out this Equinox RS. It really is something special. It's got great features. It's the perfect color. And it's not brand new, and it's not the price of new. So you're gonna get a great deal on this Equinox RS right here at Gus Brown. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see who picks up this great find.